you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another makeup tutorial for you. As you can see, I've already put the base on my face. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Eye makeup look. I'm not quite sure what colours I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to be using that is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. Here's some of the shades for you. They are beautiful. I love them. I know they're almost like quite fall colours, like autumny, but I don't really like to have specific colours for specific times of the year, so I'm definitely going to go for something a bit more like this because obviously I have got work tonight. I don't want to go too full on. I'm also going to be using my Morphe palette. It's the 350M palette. But it's all the matte colours. So I'm going to be using these two palettes. If I do use anything more, I will show you, but that's kind of what I'm going for. Settle in, pop the kettle on, sit back and relax, enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I find this one quite a hard one. I couldn't quite decide what colours that I wanted to use because I still wanted to make it summery, but I've got a big thing for fall colours or autumn colours. So I've started off with like more of like a burnt orangey kind of colour on the outsides with like a mustardy yellow on the inner corners. Off camera, I did put some Ardell individual lashes on each eye, and I did put a bit of highlight just above the brow bone and on the inner corners, which I used my Anastasia Sun Dipped palette, and I used the shade Summer. And on my lips, I decided to go for the Makeup Revolution, and it's in the shade Rain. I'm really loving this Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and please give my video a thumbs up, spread the word, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Holly with an IE .rutter, and then follow me on Twitter, which is Holly_makeup. Yeah, so take care.